Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Panah. Many English learners mix up time words like ever, while, already, recently, yet, just, for, since. But don't worry, we'll make it simple. Time words tell you when something happens, but do you know how they connect to tenses? Let's find out. If you can use present perfect, past simple, past continuous, and present simple, you're ready for this lesson. Let's get into it. Unit 9, Part B, Time words and tenses. In the previous lesson, we talked about the past, the present, and the future. If you haven't watched it yet, I put the link above and you can check it later. Okay, let's get back to Part B. There are some words about time in English that we often use with particular tenses. The first time word is ever, that usually uses in simple present and present perfect. In glossary part, we can see ever. At any time now with a present tense, or any time before now with a present perfect. Do you ever swim in the winter? It's simple present tense. Have you ever been to Moscow? For present perfect tense. The next time word is while. While during a time that something else is or something else was happening. It usually uses in present continuous and past continuous. For example, he often phones while I'm eating. It's present continuous tense. And they arrived while I was watching TV. Past continuous tense. The next one is already. Already uses in simple past tenses and present perfect tenses. In positive sentences, already, before now or before then, but we don't know exactly when. In negative sentences, we use yet, not already. For example, I was already there when they arrived. It's past tense, and already comes after was or were in past tenses. In present perfect tense, already comes between have or has and past participle of the verb. The next time word is recently, used in simple past tenses and present perfect tenses. Recently, not long ago with a past simple, or in a short period of time before now with a present perfect. It can use in positive and negative sentences, but already just uses in negative tenses. I went to the dentist recently, past tense. I haven't seen Tom recently, present perfect. The next time word is yet. Yet is commonly used in negative and interrogative or question sentences, but it's in present perfect tenses. Yet used for talking about something that hasn't happened, but you think it will. Yet in negative sentences implies that something has not happened but might happen in the future. For example, I haven't finished my homework yet. I haven't done it, but I might soon. And yet in questions adds emphasis. The next one is just. Just a very short time before now. Use just in positive, negative, and question sentences or interrogative sentences. In present perfect, where are the girls? They've just left. For. If you want to use for with a period of time, we use it in a present perfect tense. I've been in this job for 3 years. And the last time word is since. We use since with a point in time in the past. In present perfect tenses. We've lived here since we got married. Spotlight part. For and since. We use for with a period of time. For 2 weeks or for 6 months, etc. We use since with a point in time in the past. Since 2003. Since last year. Since I came to England, etc. After since, we should use a simple past tense. We often use these words with a present perfect. I've been at university for 2 years. I've known Joe since 2018. Okay, let's get into practices. Number 4. Complete the sentence with for or since. Number 1. I've known her since 2010. Number 2. I've known her for a long time. Number 3. I've known her for about 3 months, since last year. Number 4. I've known her for a couple of years. Number 5. I've known her since I got married. Number 6. I've known her since I was at university. Number 5. Circle the correct answer. Pause the video, write your answers, and then check them. Number 6. Complete the sentences. Pause the video, write your answers, and then check them. Number 7. Translate the words in bold on this page into your own language. If you don't know about the present perfect, simple past, or past continuous, it's better to skip this unit, and after you learn these tenses, come back and read this unit. Alright, now you know how to use time verbs correctly with tenses. Remember, present perfect, past simple, past continuous, and simple present all are essential. Practice this in your conversations and see the difference. Which time verb do you find most useful? Comment below. Tell me in the comments what grammar topic should I cover next. Let's see how well you understood. Try making a sentence using one of these time verbs. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you never miss an English tip. Check out my other videos on Oxford Word Skills Elementary. Links are in the description. Until the next video, bye!